Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Anthony, and on today's short demonstration video, we're going to demonstrate how to reset the oil service light on a 2019 Ford Edge. We are located inside the vehicle interior. We've got the key in the cup holder. First step in the process is to push the start-stop button down on the right side of the steering column. You're going to push that one time. Once the instrument cluster powers up, you can go ahead and push OK to forward through the yellow messages. And then you're going to look for this menu where it says display, trip, fuel economy, and you're going to scroll down to settings and hit OK. Hit OK on vehicle, oil life reset, and then simply push and hold the OK button on the steering column or on the steering wheel until it resets to 100%. Then you can let go, and that's it. Again, it's a very short process, but just in case you were interested and couldn't figure it out, hope this was helpful, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.